The guy who's literally the father of AI and ChatGPT is now saying it shouldn't even exist. Yeah, you heard that right. The same man because of whom you and I are even able to say the word AI today is now out there apologizing to the world for inventing it. Now look, if a random person warns you about something, you might ignore it. If a teacher says something, maybe you consider it. But if a Nobel Prize winner is saying it, man, you better pay attention. The core of AI, deep learning, generative AI, reasoning, and training models, the very foundations were laid down by Geoffrey Hinton. He literally helped build the brain of AI. In 2023, he quit Google. Yep. He was working there and he left just so he could go public and warn the world about what's coming. In 2024, he won the Nobel Prize in Physics, and now everywhere he goes, every stage, every interview, he keeps saying the same thing. Develop AI, but only to a limit. Keep it within boundaries. Otherwise, it's not just job that will vanish. The whole point of education, of human relevance, it will be gone. Let me give you a relatable example. Remember when YouTube Shorts come in? Before that, people watched long videos, but after Shorts, everything changed. Now when you say video, people think of Shorts. The entire meaning of content change. That's exactly what Hinton say AI will do. It will rewrite the rule of the world. And no, it won't be same asteroid or alien invasion that ends humanity. It could be AI. He literally said, in nature, nothing more intelligent ever lose to something less intelligent. The smarter one always win. And despite all of this, the truth is, company gonna push AI to its absolute limit. And whatever meant to happen will happen. Get ready for the apocalypse. Like and subscribe if you are still human.